So we're just setting up a box corner here. We've already pulled our line. We lay this out to get our distance. That gives us our distance to, obviously we're spiking this one, or to knock or spike or auger. We'll just auger that, knock that rock spike quickly. What we're doing on this corner, we're using two of the 11s, 3.3 meters. They do a 9 foot that will match the same height, so you still got a box. It hasn't got the wings on it, just to keep costs down if you need to, or if you've got some forgiving ground and you don't think you need the 11 foot. Obviously you've got your wings again, just make sure you've got your hole facing back. As you can see there, it should be that hole. And what we'll do, we'll put this one in so far and then put the top bar in once we get so far down. Sit here and catch your line. Once we've got it to the way you want it, we'll feed the bar in now. What you may have to do is, because it's slightly closer there, just give yourself, using your knocker, then that'll fit in, and then you just finish knocking to height. You've got your mark on the ground, and also you need to get your box. Well, I run mine parallel with the ground. Just double check it like that. Just thread it around a couple of times. When they've got a bit of pressure on it, it should sit on the bolts. So we're just going to strain this. We've just wired it. We've crossed over at the top just to keep the height on the wire. We've got a bolt in the bottom, stop it sliding up.
I've done a figure 8 on the stay wire going up and over the top of the stay. There are other ways of doing it. You can use the Fetra clips and tech screws and go around the back of the post and use those to hold the wire. Whichever way you prefer to do it, as long as the wire's held tight, it will work.
So we've just got the bolt here, just on a nylock, it's only finger tight. You can tighten it up after if you like. You need to leave it slightly out just to hold the wire down. Obviously if you didn't have this, the wire would tend to slip up the post, so this is just to keep the wire in the bottom. We'll just tension this, gradually keeping an eye on your smooth wire as you go. Same the other side. Let's move this wire. This is a corner box strainer. You can do it with an angled strut. You've got these holes and obviously your strut blocks if you wanted to do it this way. The wire will be tied on here. We've got a line running that way and a line running back down to a gateway that way. So this is just to take the brace of the tension of the wire. This is the main force, will be here, or both corners. So now we'll tie the wire on, run it out and tension it up. This is Fetra box strainer assembly using 2.5, 2 wraps of 2.5 high tensile wire. Crimped. You don't need to crimp it, you can tie it if you prefer. I just think it's just quick to crimp it. We do the figure 8. We'll go over the bar here just to keep the height, keeps it all tied in together. And then the bottom we've got the bolt just to stop it sliding up. And that's that. We just need to tie the wire on and it's finished.